This is a typical Saturday morning dive in a la winter.
Going diving down the road, going diving today. Going diving down the road, going diving today. Look at this crap. It's terrible. if we don't die on the way, we may die under the water. Let's just go drinking.
Jesus. This is insane. It's so hard to see the road. Even your tracks.
You couldn't see it, yeah. I mean, I couldn't even see the snowbank walking. At walking speed.
I see it.
You can see it now, yeah.
Yeah, the light's well defined. We are almost there.
Yeah. Arseholes, that's big.
We cut a small hole because we thought you guys would be stuck and you'd put in somewhere instead of a. Okay, do you want the pole or the shovel? We got like tappage on it. Okay, I'll push down and you push shovel.
It may help if you come to this side, just to some leverage on it. Watch that, it's slippery. Hard, 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 Woo!
We are men. Protect divers, eh? You know what that means, eh? Can't come right up. You gotta come up real slow. Gotta take it easy because it's cold down there, eh? It's 0 degrees, eh? Be careful. Well, worst case, I can get in for a little bit, I think.
Yeah.
Gloves leaking, showstopper. A couple of Mickeys of whiskey and we're ready to rock, 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 rock.
We have similar lights. His runs off a xenon bulb and mine off an LED bulb. The case of mine light sucks, but his case is good. My bulb is better than his, and the good light and the good bulb work together.
Giddy up. Were you excited about this?
We're such fucking losers. Fucking turn that off.
I'm up to my knees. The ice is 8 inches thick.